standard recipe out of the bunker is to open your stance, open your face, and then swing across your body lines. So if I were just to address that here, I'd open the club face, so now my face points over there. I've got my stance open, so my stance points over here. And now I'm supposed to swing across my body line, so now my path is going that way. None of those lines match up. So one of the reasons why we have trouble getting out of the bunker is because we take a very complex thing and try to make it simple. So I'm gonna give you a recipe here to kind of show you some things that have worked out really well for me, but also for some of the best bunker players ever, including Sevi. What he would do is he would set his club face up square to his target, right down this target line, and then he'd lean the club back to add loft. That's why he could hit 2 irons out of the bunker. He would just lean the club back and add loft. So once I have my wedge leaned back, I'm adding loft, the shaft's pointed over here on a bit of an angle. So what I want to do is I want to organize myself to make that shaft feel comfortable, like it's pointing right in the center of me. So my stance is open, and I look down at the club, and the club face is open, but the club face is still pointed at my target with a whole lot of loft on it. So now when I set myself up from here, face pointed down the target line, it's open relative to me because my stance is to the left. From here, now I want to feel like I swing down the target line. This kind of promotes a club that comes a little more into out relative to the target line and you. So that's going to be shallow. It's going to ensure that you hit the ground before the golf ball, like we always do in the bunker. This is going to help get a higher lofted shot. Face square, shaft lean back to add loft, open my stance to make that shaft feel more comfortable to me, and then from there, swing down your target line.